I'm John. I am HIV positive and I have been for 18 years. I'm on effective medication and I'm undetectable and I cannot pass it on. And do you know how great that feels to be able to say that? It's incredible. The reality is there have been many changes. Most important, my approach to life. My approach to life has been very much about enjoying today and the future and looking forward. There's no time to look back. I can learn from the past, but it's very much about the future and the opportunities moving forward. Because when I was diagnosed, I honestly didn't expect to be around now. Fantastic progress with medication. It is really incredible. When I look at family, I actually never disclosed my status to my parents. My parents are no longer here. Because I didn't honestly think they could cope with it. And in addition, people that I did speak to or friends that I spoke to, I was immediately aware of potential stigma. I thought that my knowledge prior to diagnosis was good. However, the reality is very different when you are actually living with a condition. And it's then that the overall challenges of everyday life start to arise. So my approach was very much about, now I've got to start to learn. The most important message I would say is know your status. It is really, really important that you get tested and you know what your status is. We've made phenomenal progress. It's really exciting these days to be out and talking to people and creating greater awareness amongst the community that actually, if you are HIV positive, you will go on treatment straight away and you will very rapidly be undetectable. The treatment is not the nasty treatment that it used to be. There's fantastic medication available. And when you are undetectable, you cannot pass on that virus. It's fantastic news. The biggest misconception that people have these days is that someone who is HIV positive is highly infectious. Totally and utterly wrong. Sexual health is important to us all. And it's really key that we actually look after ourselves and we ensure we know what our status is and we break down all the old stigma and barriers, and there should be no fear in terms of testing. We need to go and get tested. We need to be aware of our status. Charities like Terrence Higgins Trust are so important because they are out there working with people who are HIV positive, but equally working with people who don't know their status. It's so important that these charities are supported to the full and they're given the opportunity, because there's fantastic messages that are coming out. Testing messages, the stigma messages, they're so important and I'm so passionate about them. It's go and get yourself tested, be aware of your status, no room for stigma anywhere.